We hear say Burna Boy don knack Olosho belle, say e go soon become papa. Hey, hey, hey. Congratulations. Fire on the mountain, my correct people, Regina Daniel and e co-wife, when they call Laila, they don't take the matter to another level. Not be small thing, o. My correct people, before I go dey knack una the whole gist wey dey for inside this matter, make I first throw away salute for all of una. Hello, my correct people. You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, the matter when e full ground no be here. The thing make berekete for ground, no be small. We first dey hear say our oga patapata wey dem dey call Burna Boy say e don knack another woman belle. No be the May babe when e dey follow, when they call Steph London. Dem say this time around, this one na complete Olosho babe when e be say na America be na Yankee na im dey. Dem talk say how the thing come be like say the thing come sweet and rich, e come ship am, e come cargo the babe, e come cargo am come Nigeria. So na im belle come enter o. Dem say Burna Boy sef, e dey do the thing, no dey even dey try to wear raincoat at all at all. As belle come enter now, as he come discover, he come beg the babe say make e comot the belle. The babe say for where nothing go fit make am comot that belle for this life o. My correct people, we dey hear say very soon say e go soon become papa. The person when he carry this ogbonge gist come drop am for us for table na Kuti Juice na ife break the news o. E come make us understand say very soon he dey prepare to go omugwo sake of say Burna Boy go soon be papa. A lot of people sef belle no sweet put because dem talk say the way Steph London take dey follow am up and down, and the kind way wey e be say na so e come take end up to come become the gang of baby daddies, say e be like say na public disgrace na im give Steph London. My correct people, I no know how una think and how una see am. Meanwhile, other pipo dey talk say e don tey when dem dey expect Burna Boy sef make e be join the baby daddy gang, say it's long overdue, say e be don too tey. But the thing wey come be like say dey shocalize people, why e come be say na Olosho na im come choose over Steph London. My correct people, make una shook mouth put how una see am, how una think am, make I bounce to the other side of the gist. This one dey concern Regina Daniel. My correct people, as we dey talk now, we hear say Nedwoko compound dem say the thing dey hot like timaya. The thing when e dey for ground still dey for ground, or the thing still dey long, dey go like river Niger. See, Regina Daniel sef, e don collect am from where the Moroccan woman stop. Una know say some few days ago we dey post some video when Regina Daniel dey post like pepper dem video, sake of say she go celebrate her birthday for Jordan with Nedwoko. My correct people, so as e come be like say the video don dey too much, the thing be like say e don dey make the Moroccan woman body dey make jigbi like really way. Now she come kukuma just unfollow Regina Daniel, come talk say her eye don see her ear, enough is enough. As she come kukuma still look am, e come talk say even though say she unfollow Regina Daniel, e no change anything if e be say she sef no unfollow the Nedwoko himself. Because if Regina Daniel no post the videos for her handle, she go post am for Nedwoko. So now she come just kukuma still unfollow the Nedwoko join am. My correct people, Regina Daniel don finally reply in her own way. We hear say Regina Daniel sef, this Nedwoko wife wey dem dey call Laila, say Regina Daniel no get one single respect for am. Dem talk say na so Regina Daniel dey look like say na she be the senior wife, na so e dey want make the Moroccan wife always dey her back. My people, the thing wey Regina Daniel come do now come be say she sef come unfollow the woman, e come unfollow the Laila joint. So my people, we don know say something dey sup pete. They no need to tell us. So my people, now go see am say all these people when they try to make us understand say polygamy, say their own stand for ground gidigba, not the way we dey look am, all of them are just notice me. Una sef don dey see am now say not the way that they show am to us, not be so e dey be for inside. If e be say not be camera, una dey see plenty things when e dey happen for inside that house. To become polygamous wife, or become say you and one woman go dey share the same man together, e no easy. Competition when e pass that one, no dey this life again. So my correct people, I wan make una shook mouth put how una see am, how una think am. But we dey hear say Regina Daniel sef, e no even regard the Moroccan woman, e no dey respect am at all. And meanwhile, we dey even dey hear now say she don kuku pack her load, she don go her place. We even see her video when she new drop, even though say she don block her comment section, she no want make anybody dey talk to am again because the thing don plenty for her head. E pikin sef don kukuma just start school for their place for that side. So my people, how una see am, make una sef throw una own comment below at the comment section. Make I bounce to the other side of the gist too. Another wahala dey for ground o for two baba and im wife wey dem dey call Ani Idibia. Una know say their wahala never comot for ground. Some few days ago we dey hear say the wife sef carry fire extinguisher, say no be small thing o, e take am design two baba head. Right now we come even dey hear say na even because of the peril when e dey for yankee na im make am she come dey do all those kind things wey she come dey do lately. But right now we dey hear say the peril sef don kukuma land for Naija, my people, no be small thing o, hey. And she land for Nigeria, she come land for Abuja. And that same day when she land for Abuja, I dey drop the video for una make una dey see am. E come happens to be say even two baba himself sef come still land for Abuja, but e come tell wife say na House of Senate na im dey. Meanwhile, a lot of people dey talk say na lie, say no be any House of Senate, no be im go, say na im with this peril na dem plan am make dem go meet for Abuja. Meanwhile, the two baba sef dey make people dey understand say e no even know whether peril sef dey travel at all. E no even know whether e dey come Nigeria, say the something be like say na coincidence. My people na believe that kind thing, say peril just from all the way from yankee land for Nigeria. Two baba sef e no know person when e be say na im born almost all your children. Abeg, I wan make una talk am for the comment section, how una see am, how una think am, make una chook mouth put join. So my correct people, make I bounce to the other side of the gist o. Na still two baba na im dey reign o, as if say this baby mama saga, the thing never comot for ground. Others sef dey still dey shook head join. E come happens to be say na one babe na im come out o. E say im name, e no talk im name sha. Na one girl, e talk say two baba, im na your pikin when e be say one woman wey you carry belle give for Enugu some time ago, when e be like say you no remember. Abeg, make you no forget am o, im still dey alive o. You get pikin like this for this world. Two baba sef come welcome am o. E come tell am say you are welcome my child. Na two baba sef, I dey drop the screenshot for una make una see am o. Na the child come say thank you very much daddy. So the thing na come dey make many people dey wonder say this person when dey drop this message so, e just wan cloud chase abi na the real one of the another baby mama sef wey we never know when two baba sef still give belle. Una know say two baba na sharp shooter. When e be say Ani Idibia o and this peril never comot for ground, a lot of people dey talk say e fit be o because two baba sef e no dey miss target, because different one full different places. Some people talk say maybe this babe when e be say e write this message come give two baba, maybe na cloud chase, e wan cloud chase. I come talk say we pray make e no be true, because if not, the kind BP when e go hold Ani Idibia for this one no be small. How many baby mama go fit follow make wahala? So my correct people, make I leave that one for that side. They make una shook mouth put, make una throw for the comment section. Make I bounce to the other side of the gist. This one dey consign Davido. A lot of people dey drag Davido left and right. Like I pass my neighbor generator right now, my people. Now know why? Because Angel of BB Naija say she dey single, she's ready to mingle. Now she can go mingle with Davido. And the Davido when he go mingle with, now people talk say Davido be like goat when he be say they don't fit give am yam make it keep. Say Davido no fit pass without say something no lost. My correct people, all of now know the role when BB Naija, this Angel of BB Naija, when she play, when she dey for inside BB Naija, and different things when she dey talk, she make a lot of people understand say she na street girl, say she fit sleep with anything sleepable. So the thing now come make many people dey worried, come talk say this kind video when then Davido now come drop with this girl when they do TikTok together. Apart from say we first dey hear say him with the Angel now the same lawyer, that's whether na Bobo when they follow Davido up and down, say na the same lawyer now him with Davido they share now they can't drop this TikTok video. So the thing can they make a lot of people they worry say whether Davido self no go give this one belle again. And some people can they talk say not be respect for Chioma, say if Chioma see this kind thing to the extent Davido just carry and come in mansion, can they do this kind thing, say something must happen, say now just to hurt Chioma feeling, say Davido not supposed to do. That na for the people when be say they see they believe say Chioma and Davido still dey. Because for me, with the way Davido they live his life right now, I don't believe say Davido get any serious babe when he really dey for his life right now. So my correct people they talk say you cannot judge book by their cover, or for the fact say Angel be like that, the thing when they talk, the way they dress, say you know me say as e just near Davido something will just happen. A lot of people they talk say e no fit possible because Davido self no go fit resist this kind girl. My people, I want make una self shook mouth put, na think say Davido go just bring himself put for ground to that extent, say as you see this girl self, you know go fit still respect himself. Una think say something fit happen between both of them. I want make una self shook mouth put, how una see and how una think am. Make I bounce to the last gist. Yes, my correct people, this one they consign Tonto Dike. A lot of people self that they drag Tonto Dike up and down, talk say he don't jump enter inside another new relationship nah again because of this video when he surfaced between Tonto Dike and Duka Mighty. Now I know say Tonto Dike na one kind person when be saying if you want do something self, you know they even they look face. So as dis video surface, the way wey Tonto Dike take fly take dive dis Dukan Mighty, some people talk say na Tonto Dike way of greeting, some people talk say na lie, say Tonto Dike and dis Dukan Mighty dem don already dey knack each other, because people wey be say dem no dey knack each other, dem no fit embrace themselves like dis one no be ordinary embrace, dis one na embrace wey be say e go end for the other room. My correct people, I no know how una see am, how una think am, but the way me I dey see Tonto Dike, I believe say na person wey be like say if e wan do something, e dey do am like say e no even send anybody. And dis picture now sef come still follow join. Some people come dey talk say dis oyibo wey e be say Tonto Dike follow take dis kind picture, the posing and the way wey Tonto Dike take pose, say dis one is confirm, say dis one na a new bobo, and make Tonto Dike no come make the kind mistake wey e first make that time with Kpokpogri and Shoshi. Make e keep dis one out of social media now, make e keep am privately, no be say tomorrow night go come out come dey cry say one thing don happen, my correct people. So as me myself I come say, I come talk say hey na wa. So every week now na Tonto Dike dey find new love. So Tonto Dike take picture with anybody now or anything when he do with anybody, the next thing as far as say na man, I be say Tonto Dike sef don get new lover again. So my people, me myself I no believe all those things. I just believe say Tonto Dike just dey do it things dey go, because Tonto Dike na one kind person when e be like say if you do some kind things e go make some people dey wonder say which kind lady be this now, which kind woman be this. Una don't forget say Tonto Dike sef even take one picture with him own papa sef when he born, and when they carry mouth put for him mouth sef, e come be like say e dey kiss him papa. Some people sef come dey talk say this one na your papa abi na your lover. Tonto Dike sef come answer people in another way. So I just think say na her way. But anyway sha, that one when e be say e take fly Dukan Mountain now, e reach to ask question, no, because the way the guy sef take fly am too, some people say they even dey take style dey tap current join am. So my people, I no know how una see am, how una think am, whether una believe say all these things when people dey talk say anytime when Tonto Dike show new man dem go talk say na a new bobo. I wan make una think am, make una talk am for the comment section, how una see am, how una think am. Make I leave una for here, my correct people. I go see una very soon for my next video when e no go too take from now. Abeg, if you be say today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. And una wan be my returning subscribers, God go bless una for me. I go see una very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.